sure. Won't you try to do to me? It's like we can't stop. Hi sisters, we haven't worn heavy makeup in a long time. Then today we will have a strong. The whole one is very rich. European and American makeup. I just woke up and this necklace hasn't turned around yet. To show you my ex, I went to change the earrings. This 9 tails. Fox ears have been replaced with this drill feeling. Then apply a makeup primer to streamline it. I recently discovered, like this weather now, the steps before makeup can be less. A little. Your makeup will be better. Post. Because fix these in a brighter way. Feeling of uneven skin tone. And now it's this very refreshing texture. Just right. Can put us. The skin is adjusted to a state that is more suitable for makeup. Well, my mouth is so dry recently. Let's apply lip balm first. Then put on the base makeup. This is too crowded, oh my god. This foundation should have a lot of essential oils, right? I used this color 02 today. I saw a post when I was doing my homework 2 days ago. It's funny to say that this foundation, cheap and easy to use. It's a conspiracy again. It's really funny, but there's really nothing wrong with this sentence. By the way, we bought a new mirror. It's 2 times bigger than my face. And this concealer is very good. Layer looks good. This one on hand is the new version. He will be more moist. It won't be easy to get pimples. Shut up or something. It is also easy to push away on the face. But after you take it away, it feels like he's firm, scratched in your face. I think his boss is actually very good at using it. On spring and summer nights, I feel that at night makeup is really better than others. Liquid foundation is stronger. I feel good about this foundation and the makeup just now. It's very comfortable. Post. And then very 80. The feeling now, this can literally put this base makeup welded on the face. I like it. Then let's get the cream now. Some grooming and, for the color part, please close this cheekbone first. What about the next line? Including this frontal corner. I feel that this place on the forehead is quite important. Gozo district in this place in Dahe County. It's really easy to forget. I order many times. Went out with a black line like this. Just use a pen to draw the place where the nose is. Then go up and follow here. You can stick it down like this. Yes, it can be slightly heavier. A little hand because you want a heavy makeup on the back. Let's do it again now. Smelly. Why is that? Base and middle. Go vertically and open it like this. Then we'll get some gills. Red paste first. Use this dark color. Hit our full fog position. And come to the place where you have just been repaired. Do another penis. The yellowish one is on the blush area. We use a powder to order the following medium. Every time other places use grooming powder to drip. This makeup eyebrows. Don't need any softness. Fog what? Just pick some and use darker ones. For the eyebrow peak, it should be a little earlier. Also put it here and make it a little thicker for him. More gentle. Then this makeup brow. I feel like I can draw a little bit forward. Then add a few more hairs. And the flu is okay. And now it's like this. I'm currently looks quite satisfied. What do you think? Brow him up here. Taste some wild. Then, and, the plate just broke. Well, let's use this one color. Use it slowly from the bottom up. Then Then use this brown piece again, and then we'll chirp it with this dark brown chirp. Smudge and humidify from back to front. Now let's put on the nose turning sticker. Let's stand as a black color to deepen the roots of the eyelashes. Then I'll stick a false eyelash on us. On real eyelashes, fix the eye first and then fix the eye. Then we open our eyes again like this. European and American makeup. Words. The head can be slightly pointed, then the lower eyelash deepens. I just put on a lower eyelash. Looks like this. A little more mascara. It can make his eyelashes feel more present. Take a look at this comparison. Let's fill in the inner eyeliner again. Here we use another one of this black color. Eyeliner pen to go. Give him this stem of the eyelashes. In this case, the root of the eyelashes. There won't be that transparent stem reflection. Eyeliner we will draw a micro like this. Don't make it too exaggerate. Look at the one with eyeliner and the one without eyeliner. Difference. I still can't give up. Aegyo sell. So say we. Give him a little bit of a shadow. Lie down. Silk combs can draw a little longer from the eye, where the head is parallel down. Just start drawing. Here we dip again. Take a black eyeshadow. Put the upper edge of the black eyeliner you just drew. Give it another dizziness. In this case, this eye makeup. A sense of hierarchy would be better. Then we use a piece of this matte white to dry first. In this position in our eyelids. I think the more obvious the white the better. And also bring our eyebrows down and brighten up here. It's still important to come out. Then let's put on some blush. Let's hit the apple muscle with a large area and cheekbones this position. Then use it again. Powdery grooming to emphasize the nose again. Put the light highlight horizontally to brighten the nose. Use one of these champagne colored highlights superimposed on freshly brightened eyes. Head this position and eyebrow bone. And the nose is bottomed like this. Use this color of the blush cream just now to smoke the edge line of the lower lip. Then use a little blush. Color sweep the lip seams on both sides of this bridge of the nose. Swipe a little bit here too. And then we stack again. Apply a layer of lip gloss. Just went to change a pair. Glasses strap. And now we're going to top a mole. This makeup is almost done. Please increase this eyebrow a little bit. See if it's aggravated, it will look better here. Okay, then let's. This makeup today. It's almost enough to get me to get my hair done. Play with me. We got Glux and PMB. When he popped up on my feet. Everyone, I am now. I'm ready to remove my makeup. Let me show you what I have now. I'm wearing makeup now more than almost 10 hours. See what I said is right. It is to remove. I ate something around my mouth and rubbed off some others. The place is still right and wrong. It's really good to pull it firmly on the face.